In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, offering you an advanced zoom tutorial. Whether you're reviewing a detailed report or navigating through a lengthy document, mastering the zoom functions can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency. First, let's start by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you have your document open, you'll notice there's a toolbar located in the bottom right corner of the window. This is where you'll find the simple but powerful icons that will help you zoom in and out effortlessly. Click on the plus icon to bring the document closer, and if you want to step back, simply click the minus icon. These tools allow you to quickly adjust your view, making text and images larger or smaller depending on your preference. For those seeking more precision with their zoom levels, Adobe Acrobat offers a zoom bar feature. Once you activate it, the zoom bar allows you to select a certain percentage for zooming in and out. This is particularly useful if you need a specific zoom level for consistency across multiple pages or documents. By selecting a specific percentage, you ensure everything is as detailed or as broad as you want it to be. Another way to adjust your zoom settings is through the main menu. You can navigate to the top left corner of your window and click on the menu option. From there, choose Zoom to access a drop-down menu filled with specific zoom options tailored to various needs. This feature is fantastic for those who prefer different magnification settings for different documents or simply enjoy exploring alternative viewing modes. If you're someone who favors using the keyboard over clicking around with a mouse, Adobe Acrobat has got you covered there as well. There are convenient keyboard shortcuts designed for zooming. To zoom in, simply press the Control key on your keyboard along with the plus sign. This combination will gradually bring your document closer, allowing you to focus on the details that matter most. Conversely, to zoom out, use Ctrl combined with the minus sign. These shortcuts can save you precious time, especially if you're frequently adjusting your view while analyzing dense documents. By utilizing these various zoom methods in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, you can enhance your reading and editing experience significantly. From quick, automatic adjustments with icons to precise zoom levels with the zoom bar, or the flexibility of using keyboard shortcuts, you have all the control at your fingertips. With these tools, you'll find navigating your PDFs can be convenient and tailored exactly to your viewing preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to take full advantage of Adobe Acrobat's zoom features.